How do you resolve ethical dilemmas legally in crisis? When faced with the question of how to resolve ethical dilemmas legally during a crisis, it is important to consider both legal compliance and ethical responsibilities. This balance is key to effective crisis management. First, having a solid crisis management plan is essential. This plan should clearly outline potential risks and ethical challenges that may arise. It must also specify legal requirements relevant to the situation, whether it is personal, business, or global. The plan should assign roles and responsibilities, set decision-making protocols, and ensure all actions align with applicable laws. Legal preparedness means being aware of the legal framework that governs crisis responses. This includes understanding obligations such as timely reporting to authorities and protecting the rights of stakeholders. Ignoring these legal duties can result in penalties and worsen the crisis. Collaboration with legal counsel is vital. Engaging legal experts early in the process helps identify risks and compliance issues. Their advice on the legal implications of ethical decisions ensures that responses are both sound and defensible. Regular communication between crisis management teams and legal advisors improves overall preparedness. Training is another important aspect. Crisis teams should receive education on legal risks and ethical standards. This training equips team members to recognize ethical dilemmas and respond appropriately under pressure. During a crisis, clear communication is critical. Ethical dilemmas often arise from conflicting interests or incomplete information. Establishing communication protocols approved by legal counsel helps manage stakeholder expectations and maintain trust. This also prevents legal missteps, such as spreading misinformation. Resolving ethical dilemmas legally may involve weighing competing obligations. For example, balancing public safety with individual privacy or transparency with legal liability can be challenging. Decision-making frameworks that incorporate ethical principles alongside legal requirements guide actions. Crisis committees should use these frameworks to evaluate options and document decisions. After the crisis, reviewing actions taken is essential. Assessing compliance with legal and ethical standards allows for adjustments to crisis plans. This process of continuous improvement prepares organizations for future crises and reinforces a culture of legal and ethical responsibility. In summary, resolving ethical dilemmas legally in crisis management requires proactive legal preparedness, collaboration with legal counsel, clear communication, ethical decision-making frameworks, and ongoing training. These components help ensure that responses meet both legal standards and ethical values across various contexts.